Roshni, I wanted to understand that there is a mandate for rooftop water harvesting.
Yes.
So first of all, a typical household of say 300 square yards, what do you recommend to be the size of the water harvesting system, and what does it cost? And then two is, can it be used for storage also and reuse obviously? So because that doubles up. So give me a rough idea of, if you've done residential colonies of this size, what is a typical storage recharge and storage solution?
Okay, so when we talk about a housing of around 300 yards, I think the amount of water that can be saved from that rooftop would be somewhere around 15 to 20 cubic meter. The costing of that would be around 12 to 13,000 rupees per cubic meter. So that would be costing you around 1.5 lakhs, not much more than that.
This is for storage or also for recharge?
Recharge. This is for recharge.
Okay.
For storage, it will be around 2.5 lakhs. Not much major difference. Small
Okay.
difference only.
Okay.
And yes, rooftop water can be used for storage and it can be used for secondary purposes. Yes, for cleaning utensils, gardening, washing cars, anything you can do.
Okay, that's wonderful. So this is a solution you're saying which will typically end up costing 3 to 4 lakhs if storage is included.
Yeah.
And if it is not included, so about 1.5 lakh.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
roughly that would be the thing.
Yeah.
But if it is in a colony, which is obviously a larger capacity recharge, typically what kind of costing does it come to?
So
What kind of size and costing?
So for a colony, when you talk about, let's just say I'm talking about 200 people, it mostly depends on what is and how much is the requirement in that particular society. Let's just say if they have a requirement of 10 KLD or 50 KLD. So for that, I recommend a tank of around 500 cubic meter. That would be sufficient enough to meet the needs for 10 days almost, and assuming every 10 day it rains in the month. So 1,500 cubic meter would be perfect. The costing would be somewhere around 60 lakhs, 65 lakhs for that entire area.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a lot.
That is huge, but
That's
then
huge.
in the initial capital cost is huge, but when you see operationally, the per liter cost of water, so the costing, it would reach break even in another.
And this you're talking about a recharge cum storage solution.
Recharge comes storage.
And if
both.
it was just recharge?
Just recharge also, it will cost you around 60 lakhs, 55 to 60 lakhs, including civil work. Everything.
For such a huge setup.
For such a huge setup, yes.
Okay.
So 500 cubic meter would be around 5 lakh liters of
No, we are not talking about 500. We're not talking about storage right now.
No, we're talking about recharge only.
Just recharge. But why such a big recharge?
Acha, we're talking about recharge.
Yeah.
In that case, 100 cubic meter recharge is also fine, because eventually every hour it will get recharged.
Right.
So 100 cubic meter would cost you around 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, not more than that.
Not more than that.
Yeah.
Okay. But so we are talking, if they're smaller units, obviously they can be of 2.5 lakhs also. It doesn't have to be 10 lakh unit. There can be multiple smaller units in a colony, correct?
Yes.
That is also possible.
Yes. The major benefit of this technology is that it can come in any shape and size. It can come in L shape, square shape, as small as 126 liters and as big as 1000 cubic meter also.
Okay.
Depending on your requirement.
Okay. Thank you so much, Roshni. This is really enlightening. Thank you.